Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another subscription box unboxing. I got tongue-tied there, subscription box unboxing. Today we are unboxing, oof, this is heavy, the Causebox. This is really big. This is probably the biggest subscription box that I've ever unboxed. I'm pretty excited about it. For those of you who never heard of Causebox, because this is also new to me, full disclosure, Causebox reached out to me. They sent me this box, so I'm happy to unbox this with you guys, kind of see what it's about. And then later on, in hopefully like a week or two, I will be unboxing the winter box. So that will be really nice to do as well. I've been looking at the sneak peeks, trying not to, but I've been looking at the sneak peeks on Instagram. I'm like, oh my goodness, I hope that's in there. So to get into the specifics and just a little bit of background about the box. So just to get into what Causebox is, it is a subscription box that comes out quarterly, so every 3 months. In the box, you're getting exclusive high quality products. You can personalize the box as with any subscription box, and you can also add on extras. With each box, you're making a difference. And what I mean by that is that you are buying ethically made, sustainably sourced, and cruelty-free products. As I'm getting older and somebody who now is in their career, that's something that I really can appreciate. I'm trying to do my portion by buying better things for the environment, but also for my body. And I'm not wanting to give money to big corporations, big businesses. I really want to support small businesses, but then also just really support good causes with my money. And on their website, it says for their mission that they are creating a greener, fairer, and kinder way to shop. And then in terms of their impact, it says that they're committed to supporting small-scale makers and artisans. Causebox is passionate about women empowerment and generally just creating opportunities for those in marginalized positions. So I really like this. That definitely pulls on the heartstrings. I'm excited to unbox this, so let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, and one more thing I should mention. I mentioned that it comes out quarterly, so every 3 months, and it is seasonal. This is the fall box, and the box totals at $49.95, and it has free shipping. So you guys can see this is a pretty hefty box. Right off the bat, I really like the artwork. When it showed up, I was like, wow, this is really nice. This is really cool. I like all the different women pictured on the box all over. Just different women. There are women with pink hair, women with blonde hair, brown skinned girls, bald women, women with head coverings, women with scarves, women with blue hair, just all different kinds of women. So that is nice. This is a really nice box. I almost don't want to throw it away after this. And then when you open it, oh goodness, when you open it, this is what it looks like. It just says Causebox. And then inside you get this postcard that is very similar to the design on the outside of the box. And I don't know why, but I really enjoyed getting postcards, or sending postcards, I should say. I used to see them all the time when I was younger, but it's really cool to send just handwritten mail to your friends. That's something I really like to do, so I will definitely be sending this out to somebody. I don't know who, but I'll be sending it out to one of my friends soon. And then this booklet also comes with it, and it says, "Good news, Causebox, Fall Welcome 2020." And on the back it says, "Let's put the kind back in mankind." So it's a little magazine. The first page is a letter from the editor-in-chief. Oh, and then wow, okay. Yeah, it's a little magazine. It just says different things, some writing, some art direction, photography contributors, role models, how you can reach them, connect with them on social media, if you have any questions about your box. And it's a certified B Corporation. It says this company meets the highest standards of social and environmental impact. And then good news, discover the story behind each product in your box. So that's really cool, actually. I'll have to sit down and read this later. But just getting into products, showing you guys what we have, I guess we'll go in order. Oh, okay. On the next page, it says, every box includes 6 sustainable, ethical products. If you're an annual member, welcome to Customization Station. You get to pick which products you'd like in your box. If you're a quarterly member, we'll make the customization picks for you. There are no bad options, we promise. Okay. And it says every box includes the following products. So there are 3 products listed that it includes. Okay. I will read this another time, but let's dive in. So first up, we have this water bottle from Swell, and this is the original insulated stainless steel water bottle. I've heard of Swell water bottles, but I have so many. I can call myself a water bottle connoisseur at this point. I have so many water bottles, it is ridiculous. But the Swell water bottle keeps your beverages cold for up to 24 hours and keeps your hot beverages hot for up to 12, which is nice, which is good to have. It's eco-friendly, BPA free, and it's reusable. This bottle does not sweat, so if you put cold stuff in it, it's not going to have the little droplets. And finally, this has triple layer insulation, which is what allows the bottle to keep things cold for 24 hours and keep things hot for 12 hours. So this is nice. It comes in a good neutral color. I will definitely put this in my work bag. As a nurse, you can never have enough water. If anything, I'm very, very dehydrated at work, so this is nice to have. And this is 17 ounces. So just so you guys can see the value of the box retails for $49.95, and this bottle is $35 on its own. Next up, we have the serum. This is from Way of Will. This is a brightening face serum. If you guys have watched any of my beauty videos, you guys know that I'm not like the best about my skincare, and I'm trying to get more into my skincare. I have really, really sensitive skin, so it's just a learning curve for me. This product retails for $37.50. It contains vitamin A and vitamin C. On the box, it says it contains marula, blackcurrant, and carrot. And I like that. It just has a very neutral packaging. It's very simple. And I like this. It has a very minimalist, simple packaging. In terms of directions, it says apply 2 to 4 drops of serum in the palms, rub them together. Once warmed, pat serum directly onto the face. For best results, apply serum on clean face after applying Wow Face Toner when skin is still moist. And you might be wondering, what exactly does a brightening serum do? It also says on the box that it reduces dark spots, it repairs damaged tissues and scars, and it's great for sensitive skin. So I'm listening. You've piqued my interest. And it also says that this formula will help improve elasticity as it softens and smooths the face. Next up, we have this product from PMD Clean. This is their Smart Cleansing Facial Device. This product retails for $99. I'm really excited about this. This is very fancy. This product alone pays for the whole box. This almost pays for the whole box twice. On the side of the box, it shows the different features and functions of the device. On the back of the device, you can use that to massage in serums, and we just got a serum. This product is waterproof, and it has an ergonomic design, and it uses AA batteries. It's customizable for all skin types, and it provides an anti-aging facial massage. This device operates in 4 different modes that is customizable for all skin types, and it uses the Sonic Glow technology. That's something I've never heard about, but I will do my own research. Oh, it says here, Sonic Glow technology with 7,000 vibrations per minute, PMD Clean deeply removes the skin's impurities by breaking down dirt and oil from within the pores. That's pretty cool. So I'm excited about this because there's a global pandemic going on. I'm a nurse, and I don't really feel comfortable going to a spa right now. So it's nice to be able to have some kind of self-care at home that I can do myself in the comfort of my own home and not have to worry about potentially exposing other people, but exposing myself. So when you open it up, it comes with this little plastic piece. You put this on the bottom, and it just, you guys can't see it down here, but it just stands up straight. So I can put this right next to my toothbrush. And it's such a pretty Tiffany blue color. And they also include a battery. That is really nice that you don't have to go out. I don't feel like anybody buys batteries anymore. Oh, you can use it on either side. Wow, wow, wow. This is so powerful. Whoa, 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 even more powerful. Fast pulsating. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to take my makeup off and try this. Next up, we have this 6-pack of reusable silicone stretch lids. So some instructions come on the back. It says place half the lid over one edge of the bowl. Start on the side closest to your body. Stretch the other half away from you, inching your way around the bowl. Stretch, then press the top of the lid while pulling the tab to create a vacuum seal. Stretch the other half away from you, inching your way around the bowl. I feel like I said the same thing multiple times. But I actually opened up the magazine just to get a little bit more information, because for some reason I thought that these were Tupperware bowls that were collapsible silicone. I don't know why I thought that. But it gives some ways that you can use these lids. So in the information guide, they actually give you genius ways to use your silicone stretch lids. And it says, save the other half of your melon. Hang on to that glass of wine you're not quite ready to finish. Protect your potluck offerings. Start a kitchen garden. Shield your microwave from splatters, and cover your sourdough while it rises overnight. These are actually very, very useful and creative ideas, because how many times do we lose the lid on a Tupperware bowl, or even you want to put a drink in the fridge? So definitely these come in handy, and look how cute they are. They're so little. I mean, they're not all that little. They come in different sizes, but I'm excited to use these. These are nice, and it saves you from throwing out a Tupperware bowl. You can just plop a lid on them and it's repurposed for indefinite amount of time. I forgot to mention those silicone stretch lids, those retail for $8.99. Next up, we have this bag from Pixie Mood. This is the Alley Tote, and it's in the shade Honey. Online, I'm looking at it, and it retails for $70. Up top, the bag zips to close, and then inside the bag, you have this insert. And you can put anything in here. You can put makeup, you can use this as an organizer, whatever you want to put in here. You can put this in here, but even outside of that, you can use this for traveling. I like this. It's a nice everyday bag, and something that I have a really bad habit of doing is trying to put my laptop in everything. So at least with this bag, I can wear it. It's a very feminine, nice bag, and I don't have to feel like I have to take my laptop and try and work on stuff everywhere I go. Just carry it, look nice, it's very dainty, it's very cute, and not put too much stress on the straps of the bag trying to carry around my MacBook. And fun fact about the pouch, the lining is made from recycled bottles. And if you guys can see that, there is an additional pocket inside the bag. So I carry a card slot, so it's nice to just be able to slip that in the side pocket and not have to worry about it getting lost inside the bottom of my bag. And then the final thing from this month is from Core Bamboo Serve Set. So as the name implies in the booklet, they were showing it being used as a serving set, and they did like a pancake buffet session. But I see this as like a charcuterie board setup, and it comes with a nice little wooden spatula, and then it also has wooden tongs. But I think that this is perfect for either you can use it as a cutting board or you can use it as a charcuterie board. But since the name says serving set, I would use it as a charcuterie board. And I looked on the website, and these retail anywhere from $15 to $35. So you guys, that is all that I have for you today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be sure to link everything down below if you guys want to check them out. I will also include a link to Causebox so you guys can check them out. Thank you again to Causebox for sending over the fall box for me to unbox with you guys. As always, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.